Hello, how is everybody doing? Thank you for all the messages, the comments, the scheduled appointments, the mentorship sessions. Yes, they are available. So feel free to schedule. I'll leave a WhatsApp link in the description below. And today I wanted to read for you from page 127. Um, my heart is on fire from my book Divine Soul Whispers. My heart is on fire. It reminds me of that song, right? The way this poem came to me, I remember it was that time when I felt the push to attempt to do things that align with my purpose, my calling, speaking, talking, sharing, writing, and the fire was so hard, the flame, I would feel it in me. You know, that's the thing. Your passion and your purpose are going to demand everything from you until you give it expression. That's just the way it works, you see. So yeah, that's how this poem came about. My heart is on fire. My God-given gifts are stirring inside. All right, let's start again. My God given gifts are stirring inside, looking for expression. Let your light shine for all to see. Let the anchoring of your unexpressed voice find a home on this earth plane. Let the fulfillment of speaking your truth bear unbelievable fruits, expanding from a mustard seed to a tree where other souls can find rest and enjoy the abundance of life. Open your mouth and speak. Open your mouth and speak. Open your heart and give expression to what is hidden inside of you. Let the light reveal the darkness. Let the darkness disappear within the light. My heart is on fire. It's time to shout from the mountaintop. My heart is on fire. Give the gift that keeps giving. My heart is on fire. Let all wisdom keepers raise. Arise, my heart is on fire. Let beauty arise from ashes. My heart is on fire. Arise, my dear ones, arise. It is safe to be you. Yes, it is safe to be you. So express your gift, that fire that's burning inside. Give it a voice, any voice, anyhow. You'll clean up as you go. It's okay. You'll make a few mistakes here and there, but the grace is always sufficient. As always, this is Keroy. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.